Thank you so much, Sir Nat. And now we have a guest here. Introduce ko muna po ang ating mga guests. We have our Kagawad Fernando Manuel. Okay, yan po. And then Kagawad Lito Robes. And of course, yung magandang tinitingnan nyo dyan, siya po ay ang attorney, Councilor, Attorney Ronaldin Pordan. Ayan, batang-bata si Ma'am. Okay. So, let's welcome on the stage on behalf of our Barangay Chairman, Paulo Santamaria. Let us give us a special message, our Kagawad, Fernando Manuel.